everybody, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Brian.
And we are
Cooking with the Cotas. I'm a finance guy with barely any cooking experience.
And I'm a registered dietitian with professional culinary training.
And together, we're going to teach you and me how to cook in the kitchen. Today, we are making baked potato wedges. This is a great side for hamburgers, hot dogs, or dietitian-approved pizza.
You can also have it on the side of any kind of protein you're having along with a vegetable.
Wait, you're telling me potatoes aren't a vegetable?
No, they're not. They are a starchy vegetable, but they don't count toward your servings of vegetables for the day. But they are a great side option. I don't want you to be afraid of carbohydrates either. They are a good source of fiber and different vitamins and minerals. So we're gonna show you how to make this simple side dish today. So in front of us, we have just a few ingredients. We have our potatoes, which is our main ingredient here. We're using russet potatoes, and we have different spices and seasonings. So you can choose whatever you want, but we're gonna do some parsley that we chopped up, some Parmesan cheese, a little paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper. Sounds like a lot, but just use whatever you have on hand. It'll taste good anyway.
And then we'll have olive oil as well.
That we're gonna coat it with to help make all the seasonings stick as well as give it some crispiness.
Time to wedge it up. All right, we have our potato wedges done and they look delicious. You can see that it's browned on both sides to give it a nice crispiness and see the nice flavoring that was added to it.
I just encourage you to try making these at home instead of buying the frozen French fries, because those are pre-fried before they're frozen, so that means there's some extra, possibly extra trans fat or other saturated fat. So making these from home, you can minimize that and use some of those healthy oils, such as the olive oil that we did.
These are very similar to the potato wedges you might have at a restaurant. They have a nice crunchy exterior and they're a little soft on the inside.
Perfect. And you see Brian's using his favorite sauce to dip the French fries.
But you can also use ketchup or any other sauce you might like. Well, there you have it. Now you too can enjoy these delicious potato wedges at home. Oh, hey. Thanks again for watching, and tune in next time.